the drugs issue. Ananya Pandey is said to be questioned for the third time by the NCB on Monday. More people are being raided. We're told more actors are likely to face summons. What is increasingly becoming clear to all is that it's becoming almost impossible now to constantly find mistakes with what the NCB is doing. The way the investigation is proceeding, even critics are finding it difficult to question the NCB. Let's debate.
After nearly 4 hours of interrogation, Ananya Pandey walked out of the NCB office in South Mumbai. This was her second day of questioning. And the NCB says there's more.
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूँ, मंडे को बुलाया गया है और उसके बाद आगे की कार्रवाई।
Ananya Pandey was confronted on her chats with Aryan Khan. NCB sought to get details on the alleged drug supply chain. The NCB Cruise drug bust probe has entered the 20th day and the investigation is only getting bigger.
In what comes as a big catch for the agency, a 24-year-old drug peddler who's believed to be the key link in the supply network has been detained.
A 24-year-old drug peddler was picked up by NCB late Thursday night. According to the details available by the agency, he is the prime suspect in the matter where drug-related WhatsApp chats were leaked.
All this clearly indicates that the NCB is in no mood to relent. Investigation has in fact picked up pace and more links could emerge in the days to come. And no amount of political criticism can stop them. The campaign against drugs that started with the Cruise drug bust, followed by the arrest of Aryan Khan, and now with more Bollywood names under scanner, is only getting bigger. To the point that it is beyond criticism now. Let's debate.
Rahul Narvekar, Mamta Kale, Sanjana John, Simon Benjamin on this last debate. Rahul, this crackdown is becoming too big. Is this calibrated? Is this political? It's becoming too big. There are too many points and factors, too many individuals all being summoned. Question being, why is all this happening now suddenly? The other side says, why now? Why so suddenly? Why so many people connected to Bollywood? Why now?
Well, I didn't know that an offence should be having a timing. I mean, the agencies should time and take out a muhurt and then go and raid or arrest people. I mean, there was a tip-off. They found drugs on the person of an individual. There were a person connected with him who allegedly have been involved in this entire activity. And there is a proceeding under the due process of law that is going on. Why should anyone have a problem?
Why should anyone have a problem? So, Simon Benjamin, why have a problem? Let there be multiple summons questioning. You see, today another drug peddler was detained as part of the case. 20 people arrested. There are 2 Nigerian nationals. Nobody's talking about why the Nigerian nationals were arrested. You know, there isn't a plot here. There isn't a conspiracy. It's just happening.
I don't think this is the first time a case under NDPS has been registered or is being investigated. But the odd thing is the attention that it's getting from media and everybody else. It's not being treated like any other case. If we are talking about the accused person's profile and who they are,
what do you think?
On I mean, one hand, I'm sorry, but they must be treated. Nobody's above the law.
Okay, so what you're saying is, one minute. What you're saying, Simon, and I get Mamta on it. What you're saying is media should not report this. Okay, that's your point, right? Mamta, he says media should not report it.
Good evening, Mr. Goswami. I am used to hear this that media should not report when a nasheri is being arrested. I mean, what is the problem and where is the problem and why are these people so nervous? This is my question. Why is the ministers of NCB or MVA hyperventilating? If a bhatka hua youth has been arrested, I mean, where is the problem and why shouldn't we be talking about narcotics menace? Why shouldn't we be talking about Nasha Mukt Bharat? Why shouldn't we be applauding a sincere and honest officer who's actually putting his life at stake and fighting this menace? This is drugs terrorism. Why shouldn't we be talking about
Sanjana,
it? Why shouldn't we be standing
Of course,
by him?
please,
Why
by all
shouldn't we be
means,
supporting him?
go ahead and talk
we get
about
to
all of
hear
this,
a minister
but
coming
then talk
out
about all
and
the other
saying that
cases.
within a year
Also
he'll
talk
lose
about
his
all the
job.
other cases
we
of
will
NDPS
remove his
that are
uniform.
getting reported,
He's
that are getting
extortionist. The
investigated.
problem here is, Mr. Goswami, that the government of the day in Maharashtra is used to the IPS officer like Paramveer Singh, who was extortionist and who used to dance to their tunes. Now, a sincere, dedicated, honest officer like Mr. Samir Wankhede is out of syllabus for MVA and
Sanjana.
for Mr. Nawab Malik. So that is the problem. The problem here is that if you talk about a superstar's son, oh, it becomes like, how can you talk about a hero's son? First of all, let me make one thing very clear to all of them that he is not a hero, he is not a superstar. He is just an entertainer, madam. He is just an entertainer who is working in entertainment industry. He is a director's actor who follow the script.
Why are you sitting on one person?
Okay, all right.
This is about a fight against drugs.
Oh, one minute.
We are all
Sanjana,
there
Sanjana.
for a fight
More
against
than
drugs.
20
Yeah.
people who have been
Sanjana,
arrested in this
Sanjana,
case.
listen.
Why are you all talking
Okay,
about
Mamta, Sanjana, listen. The
Yes,
cruise drugs case, we are being told by one group, is not a big deal. I say it's a big deal. Cocaine, mephedrone, charas, hyperdronic weed, MDMA, lakhs of rupees in cash. It's a big deal. Special NDPS court noted prima facie involvement of accused. It's a big deal. It is a big deal.
We are all, Arnabji, we are all here in the fight against drugs. We support the media and we are there to eliminate drugs from our country. But it's only the fact that it's not just Bollywood, it's everywhere. And wherever it is, there should be maximum support, whether it's media, whether it's agency, from all of us to support them to make sure that we eliminate the drug menace from our country. And the youth in our country, no matter whether it's a college kid or whether it's a star kid, no matter who, the law remains the same. But that's the only point. Let it not be focused on just Bollywood.
Now, who's
And
focusing on just Bollywood? Can you
because-
prove that, please? Can you prove that, please? In January 2021, NCB intercepted some rolled joints, drug joints from a courier.
Yeah.
That led to a drug haul of 200 kilograms of drugs. So, you're not understanding. You are, there was one person, after the arrest of one person with 4 kilograms hash oil, the kingpin was arrested with 15 kilograms of what is called hash oil. One of Mumbai's biggest drug smugglers was arrested after interrogating a dealer. Now, if that dealer was to say, I'm just a small fry, if a drug user was to say, I'm just a small fry, the point is, I think Rahul can make this point. If you want to go through the network, you have to carry out the investigation. What your argument is, if the star kid is somewhere is part of the investigation, first let him go, then you investigate. But does that work for all, Rahul? Does that work in the case of other citizens?
Well, those who believe in the Constitution will abide by the Constitution. The Constitution guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the law. And that being the case, why should one expect exceptional treatment?
Why?
Whenever there is an accused who is arrested, is given the same treatment. So why do you expect any different treatment for a specialized class?
This is the double
So,
where's the double speak, Simon?
Rule book that says that the privilege should be given.
Simon says it's double speak. What's the double speak? What's the double speak? Please explain.
On one hand, we say that nobody is above the law, while we focus on only one individual or certain individuals.
Okay, so can I counter the question to you? Can I counter the question?
That is unfair.
Okay, one sec. Okay.
Going to talk about
okay,
all
Simon,
cases,
my counter to you.
All cases talk
No,
about
but
the drug
tell me,
menace
who's
in the entire
focusing on
country.
it?
Can I come in?
No, one sec. Simon, counter to you. Rahul says...
If you feel it's so being focused upon, why are you appearing on national television today?
Case
Get
in
yourself
point.
involved in some other better activity if you think this is not worth focusing account.
I'm not appearing because I volunteered to appear, but it's because I was asked to appear.
No, Simon.
So if you find something wrong in my conduct, I think you can also question yourself.
No.
I'm so sorry. You think so poorly about yourself.
No, I don't feel this is out of turn. You are feeling this is out of proportion.
No,
I don't
Simon,
think so.
Simon.
I think this is a very serious
Simon,
issue
Simon.
that deserves every kind of a
Simon, my counter. Simon, my counter. Simon and Rahul, my counter is my counter is right now, viewers. I want to tell you, there are 10,000 convicts lodged in jail. 10,000, Sanjana and Mamta, in jail under liquor and narcotics cases. Okay. Samir Wankhede has registered 46 cases in 2020 and he's been seizing a variety of drugs. Why are you creating this uproar? Will you create this uproar? I ask everyone, Sanjana, everyone, will you create this uproar about every arrest that the NCB makes? Or will you create the uproar because it's Shah Rukh Khan's son?
No, the uproar is not because it's Shah Rukh Khan's son. My only point is that the focus shouldn't be on Bollywood. It is everywhere, but obviously the national interest.
Who's putting focus on Bollywood, madam? No, please. It is not we, the people of this country, who had called the media and did a glorified press conference. It was one of the ministers who sits there in Mumbai, called the media and did a huge press conference and started defending Shah Rukh Khan's son, started calling names to NCB and to an honest officer. Tell me, is it okay, is it right to drag an officer's family into this whole thing?
Okay, viewers, I began the program tonight. I began the program tonight by saying that, as far as I did a bit of explanation on what our editorial approach is, and I said I only look at things in terms of whether it works or not for national interest. And I'm requesting all the viewers tonight, just look at this issue in terms of what it does for national interest. Forget the celeb factor here. Before I go, what makes this really worth it, the effort we put in every night, is some of these messages. And Indira Kharbanda says, I find your nationalistic approach marvelous, and as a true patriot and nationalist myself, I bless you for the way you take up every subject of current and most valuable interest. Thank you, Indira. Thank you for your blessings. Julie Barua says, thank you, Arnab. Thank you, Republic, for keeping our trust in nationalism intact. There can be nothing above national interest. Absolutely, Julie. Nothing above national interest. Nothing bigger than the nation. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Good night.